In a quaint village by a winding river, young Ruhan listens intently to his grandfather's tale. Grandfather speaks of a river flowing in 7 colors, each a different emotion. Ruhan's eyes widen with wonder and curiosity at the magical tale. Ruhan, backpack over his shoulder and map in hand, starts his journey upstream. The 7-colored river shimmers, a vibrant tapestry of red, green, and blue. He pauses, drawn to the red stream, a land of burning stones stretching before him. The heat is palpable, the air crackling with unseen energy. A firebird descends, its feathers ablaze with intense heat, distorting the air around it. The ground trembles as the firebird lands, its presence commanding attention. Ruhan stands firm, his gaze unwavering as he confronts the magnificent creature. When I feel scared or angry, I don't give up. I try to use courage to think of what's right. Ruhan arrives at the green stream. A small goat rests its head on his lap, its leg bleeding. He tears a piece of his shirt, his hands gentle as he tends to the goat's wound. Green stands for compassion and life. You have passed this test. The forest seems to breathe a sigh of relief. Ruhan stands by the blue stream, the water mirroring the starlit sky, his shadow stretching long and distorted on the bank. I accept my fears, but I choose to dream instead of being afraid. The shadow dissipates, replaced by a sense of peace. Ruhan arrives at a giant waterfall, its waters a dazzling blend of 7 colors. Beneath the cliff, a stone door opens, revealing a path to the unknown. He steps cautiously into the opening, discovering a glowing fountain. Words above the fountain echo in his mind. The true source lies within your heart. Each color, each feeling, you carry them inside you. Ruhan smiles, understanding dawning in his eyes. Ruhan returns to the village, his eyes reflecting a newfound understanding. His grandfather smiles, sensing the change. "You've returned a new person." Ruhan responds, "I understand now, grandfather. The river was inside me all along." They share a warm embrace, bathed in the golden light of the setting sun.